have the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'll be showing you how to change the screen timeout period. Screen timeout is also called screen auto lock. And so to change that, just go to settings. The easiest way of going to settings is to swipe right and then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. And then tap on display. And then under display, you should see auto lock. Tap on that. The default is normally set to 30 seconds. Just to 5 seconds. You can increase that to 10, 20, 30, or even 60 seconds, depending on what you want really. Now, of course, the longer this time is, the more it will impact your battery life negatively. Okay, so the shorter, the better. But of course, sometimes if you want to increase, you might have a good reason. Maybe you want it on a bit longer for your own reasons. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.